Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Spendee application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will see the sign in with Google, Facebook, as well as the email and the Apple option. Now, in order to sign up and create a new account, tap on Sign Up with Email. You will now be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you wish to use to sign up for your account, and then enter your preferred account password. Then tap on the sign up button, and now you will be asked to create your profile. Enter your first and your last name, and then tap on the camera icon if you wish to upload a profile picture. Then tap on continue, and then tap on the agree button, and now you have the option to add your transactions manually or connect your bank account. You can choose whichever option is suitable for you, or skip this for now by tapping on skip. And now your account is signed up right away. You will need to check your inbox within the email address that you used for sign up, and then tap on the given link in order to activate your account fully. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Spendee. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.